Hey guys, we're back with another, and today we're at the beach. We're at Bournemouth beach. It's a really nice sandy beach, as you can see. Really good. This guy's threatening me with water, as you can see, the usual. Look, that's my family over there. My dad's over there.
I have an infinite water source. I have an infinite water source.
Yeah, so today there's gonna be like some aircraft show or something. It happens every once a year.
Follow me.
And today it's happening today. So it's very rare and it's water chance as well.
Wait, I have an infinite water source.
I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna zoom in a second. Look at the beach, guys. You should definitely come. It's a really sandy beach. I recommend this. There's like food and stuff over there. Obviously, wait. Yeah, there's food over there. There's a restaurant, but it's not halal. Guys, look. The scenery is quite nice. Mom,
Yeah.
say something.
Hello.
No, say something more.
This is a beautiful sea.
I already said that. You're late. Look, the water is really nice, as you can see. It's quite a hot day as well, so yeah. The setting's okay. The setting's perfect. Look. Huh?
There's a fun for that one.
And look, there's a fun fair, there's a pier. Yeah?
Look at that. You see the bread.
Yeah, see?
How's the shelter?
See, look, there's like some what?
How's the shelter?
Oh. What's the helping so for?
Shelter.
Oh, there's a shelter.
Yeah, look, the building. There's
Guys, there's a pier there. And over there's the Isle of Wight. Look, there's lots of boats as well. There's a lot of boats. There's so many boats here. But the beach is nice. It's one of the nicest beaches. Look, as I said before, it's really sandy. And you usually don't get sandy beaches, do you? And look, it's the Shahar Alam. Shahir. Say hello. I'm gonna record the aircraft show. Guys, I'm gonna record later. I'm gonna go in the water and have a swim. That's it. I'm coming back later. See you guys in a minute. Guys, we're back. Where is it? Bournemouth. And yeah, look. There's like, this is the aircraft show. Where are they gone? Can't find them. Where'd they go? Look, they're over there. So look. You can see there's airplanes there, like a lot of aircrafts. Not airplanes, what are they?
Yeah, fighters.
Yeah, fighter jets. And they're putting on a show for us. It was meant to start at 2:30, right? It was meant to start at 2. Where did they go? I keep on losing it.
Yeah, no, I can't see either.
Oh, they're over there. Can you guys see like that red thing?
Yes.
Wait, it's
They're
coming.
so good,
You guys will
they're
be able to
pilots.
see, don't worry. Yeah, they're doing it. Why are they doing it, Dad? Yeah, they're doing some aircraft show, apparently for the King coronation, something like that. But it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be really good, really epic. And just wait, look. Can you guys see? Look, see?
I'm losing soccer.
No one cares about it. They're gonna put on shows. My dad said they're gonna have like colourful designs and something. Should I record all? How long is it gonna be, Dad? How long do you think it's gonna be?
Maybe an hour.
I can't record an hour. No one's gonna sit down and watch it for an hour.
Whatever you can record it.
I mean, they would, but like, I can't record for an hour. Guys, how long do you think I should record for? 5, 10, 15 minutes? I think that I should. Guys, it reminds me of one. They're over there. See, look at the trail they're leaving behind. Can you see it? Like those small things. My hand is shaking really bad. Wait, Hands are hurting. I'm back. Guys, there's gonna be 3 videos that are posted. That are gonna be posted, sorry. To make up for me not posting videos. I haven't posted lately. I don't know why. I can't think of ideas. Guys, in the comment below, give me some ideas. Give me some video ideas that you would like me to post. I'm thinking of posting on a sheet, but like, I don't know. They disappeared. Look at the syllables. There's a lot of syllables. I've always wondered what separates the beach from the sea. Like, is there a gate? What is it? I don't know. Maybe there's a lot of people though. Look, they're over there. I'm saying my bad. I can't see them.
Whoa.
Look, see, can you guys see?
Close.
That it seems like one of them are leading them. That one is leading them. Where'd they go? Oh no. It's like, you know, in the movies, they have this. Where did they go? My dad said they're gonna come with colorful stuff. Guys, I think I'm only gonna record 1 more minute, and then after I'm gonna record the colorful stuff.
I recorded so much more. You can edit these videos and put it.
One go.
But mom, you know how you recorded it?
Yeah.
I recorded it as well, so like we recorded the same thing.
So we could join it together and have little clips. Join them all together into like a big video and people will watch it.
Yeah, you can do that. Playlist.
They're gone.
No, they're
And now-
coming. Look, they're coming.
Oh look, they're over there. Those are different.
Whoa.
See, look. After this, then I'm gonna stop recording and then record.
Oh, that is
Oh look, see, look, colorful. What they did? Wow. It's like in the movies. Can you guys see that? Like faint red and blue and black. They're there somewhere. Can you guys see?
Not just clouds, rainbow clouds. Where is it?
Dad, I'll just record this for 10 minutes.
There's like a proper fleet around. It's like a British flag.
This is the first time we're seeing this, right? Well, is this the first time we're seeing this? Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the first time me and my mom are seeing this. That's nice.
Nice sweet pea.
Guys, I have a video idea. What do you guys think? We make like a short day one of my youngest brother trying to do 5 push-ups. What do you guys think?
1,000 subscribers and you can do that.
Yeah, boy.
They're coming back here, can you see?
Guys, look, they're coming back.
I'm going to look at the front view from here.
See, look. It looks like the ice cream flavor.
What? So weird.
Look, the blue's going, 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 the blue's going.
Going so high.
That's loud. Imagine the person who lost the controller. Oh, and I lost it. Where did you go? Oh, look, he's there. Imagine flying this thing.
It's gonna be cool.
for a whole 1 hour. No one's gonna want to watch it. Where'd you go? It's over there. Look at the trailer, mate. Doesn't it have the antenna? Oh. Guys, they're gone. Oh look, there is the... Oi! Guys, the bee was attracted to my phone. Why was the bee attracted to my phone? Huh? Guys, do you hear that? I'm using Wahid as an armrest.
Now you're not.
Whoop. Guys, why is it attracted to my phone?
Hey, stay.
Shit! Guys, there was a bee. And it was attracted to my phone. Huh? Oh shit. Why is it so attracted to my phone? Guys, it's really attracted to me. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Phyllis. Guys, why is it so attracted to me?
I'm gonna squash it.
Guys, look, they're over there. Guys, look. How did it turn white?
They're going up.
Escape. What did they make? Where did they go?
No, I see them. They're tiny dogs.
Yeah. Guys, can you see them? They're over there somewhere. When I look at the bird looks nice. What did they make?
Oh, look at that up there.
Where?
There.
Oh, guys, look. They made the McDonald's sign.
No, look what.
No.
Look, they made a love heart. Oh, that's so cute. He's going. And I lost it. Oh no, it's there. Why don't I go forward? Guys, look, it's literally so close. Imagine it comes above us. Oh, look, and there's a blue one as well. I don't know when to stop. Guys, sorry for the shaking. Next time I'm gonna get a tripod or something. What did they do? Oh, interesting. I wonder how they change colors so quickly. It's over there. We went over the tree. Where's the other ones? Oh look, they're all there. Guys, this is truly iconic. Now I know why it's once a year. If they do it every day, then what's the point? Like, it's such a chance. I mean, how do I feel? Yeah, we're really lucky. We came on holiday, and look at the right time. We caught this. If we came last week or next week, then we wouldn't have caught this. Where did they go? Oh, they disappeared. Okay, show's over. Okay, I'm gonna disappear like the planes for a bit, don't worry. I'll record some more of the planes. That's it for me. Bye.